if you're a video marketer or you're looking to be a video marketer, pay very close attention to this video because I'm going to show you how to automate 90% of the process of actually getting traffic to your videos. The number one problem that I find with most video marketers is they do the old way of marketing, which means they simply just make a video and upload it to YouTube and hope that they get traffic. Now, on my screen, what I'm going to share with you is a tool called Video Profit Machines. Now, in this Video Profit Machines review, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what this tool is. Now, in short form, it's going to allow you to syndicate videos to multiple video publishing sites, along with automatically posting them to your top social media sites. So if we go over to video sharing accounts, as you guys see here, we have Dailymotion, we have Vimeo, and we have YouTube. So when you go to set up a new campaign, Video Profit Machines is going to take everything. Let's just go over to the new campaign. So it's going to take your campaign name, it's going to take your title, your description, your tags and keywords, and it's going to syndicate them out to all of those video publishing sites. Now, once your video is published, what this software is going to do is it's going to automatically publish all of that video content to these different social media outlets. So we have Blogger, Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn, and Reddit. Now, by doing so, you're not going to just rely on search traffic. You're going to be able to leverage mass amounts of traffic and mass amounts of exposure on videos that you have to only film once. So you're going to film one video. It's going to go out to 3 different and very high traffic video providers, and then it's going to get socially shared on Blogger, Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn, and Reddit. So the Video Profit Machines is a very powerful tool, and it's not very difficult. It's very simple. As you guys see here, there's not too much in depth about it, but it makes your life so much easier. Now, a cool little feature that the Video Profit Machines has is the search keyword feature. So I could go, let's just do, Video Profit Machines, right? And let's just type in review. So as you guys see here, the competition for this keyword is easy. Total results is 10. Okay, so not very difficult to rank a video for review. And actually inside of the training, if we just open this up in a new tab, this is what you're going to get for free with Video Profit Machines. And I'm also going to be giving you guys my membership site. So as you guys see here, I have the 6-Figure Marketers Club Bootcamp. I have been setting this up. I am filming all the videos for this now. So you're going to get early access to this membership site. But what I'm going to be going over is I'm going to give you guys a brief little rundown. I'm going to give you guys all the resources that I use, all the tools that I use to be successful online. I'm going to show you guys how to build funnels so that you can start capturing emails and increase the amount of conversions that you do with whatever product you're selling. I'm going to show you how to craft email follow-up and write emails that are actually going to convert into sales. And then I'm going to show you my number one favorite, and that's how to get some free traffic. I am going to show you guys how to create videos in this, but I'm also going to show you how to get some free traffic from Facebook and Instagram and things like that. So all you have to do to get access to the membership site is click the button below this video, pick up Video Profit Machines, and this is going to allow you to start syndicating all of your videos automatically, so you don't have to waste time posting them to all these different sites and stuff like that. Video Profit Machines is going to save you a crap load of time, and it's going to make it super simple to actually make your videos profitable. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. It's super short, it's super simple. That's the cool thing about the Video Profit Machines. It does not take very much effort, right? You literally just go through, set up a campaign, set up your video sharing accounts, and boom, you're ready to go. Now, inside of the Video Profit Machines training section, they do have a live webinar which you can register if you want to. And then in module number 1, Billy is going to show you how to set up the video profit machines. It's 4 simple videos, super quick, super easy to do. Module number 2, Billy's going to show you how to actually, find affiliate offers. He's going to show you how to create your own affiliate review, and he's actually going to give you a cool template which you can use. And then he's going to show you, if you don't want to create the review, he's going to show you how to outsource it. So with the video profit machine and Billy's formula, you could literally outsource the video creation and the video review aspect of this and literally automate the entire process of making money online. So very cool product. I love when Billy comes out with new products. If you guys want to get access to the video profit machines, all you have to do is click the link in the description below. Once you purchase your account, I will send you access to the Six Figure Marketers Club Bootcamp. And if you want to get in contact with me, just simply add me on Facebook. There will be a Facebook link in the description below, and I will help you guys if you guys have any questions or anything like that. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it's your first time stopping by, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And I will be coming out with some more training over the next couple days, mainly focused on video creation, email marketing, and funnel creation. So stay tuned for those, and I'll see you guys in the next video.